Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you things that are helpful as far as video creation goes. When you first start creating video, I want you to start with where you're comfortable. I don't want you to be like, oh, I need to have this, or I need to have that, or I need a camera, or I need a background, or I need all this stuff. You really just need to focus on what you are comfortable with and where you are now. When I first started doing video, I did not want to be on camera. I did not want to see my face here, but I just kind of had to get over that. And once I got in front of the camera, it's been really good because people have connected with me more. My business has grown, and now I'm teaching a challenge on how to be confident on camera, which is crazy. So if you're not comfortable with being on camera, just start doing like screen recordings with some of the tools I mentioned above, and just kind of get used to hearing your voice, get used to, kind of talking to a camera and going through those steps, and then eventually you'll get to the point where you're ready to get on camera. But if you're on the fence a little bit, I would still suggest to just try getting on camera and just seeing, how you like it or how your audience responds to it, and just kind of, go from there. But, right now I'm just using a webcam. It's a Logic type webcam. I'm not even using an external microphone. I'm just using the microphone that's inside the camera. I do have an external microphone that's a Yeti, and then I also have like a little lapel one that clicks into my shirt, and that works well as well. But for these videos, I've just been like, you know what, I'm not going to make them too crazy where I'm going to procrastinate and try to get them done. I'm just going to put it up and just make it as simple as I can. So yeah, when you're doing video, don't overthink it. Just get it out there and see how it does. And learn to laugh at yourself, because you'll do a lot of things really be like, whoa, I was such a geek, or oh, my hair was doing something weird. But you know what? Your audience will connect to those weird things, or you laughing at yourself, or something funny happening, or so just kind of embrace those things and kind of go from there. But yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave them below, and I'll have another video that goes through all of my other hardware that I use for my videos. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.